XAMPP is a very important and essential apps for Windows or any platform of operating systems to the web developer, because whenever you wanna make development of a website, at first you have to create this project on your computer using local server. XAMPP helps us to make our computer a local server. In this video we wanna learn how to install XAMPP on your computer and how to use it as a local server to make a project of a single web development. At first you have to open any browser of your computer. I am opening my favorite browser, Google Chrome. There I have to go to Google platform. Here I am typing here XAMPP, download, and you can see the official web page of XAMPP apps where stored. It is the official link of XAMPP application, apaachefriends.org. I'm clicking this. Now we can see the interface of XAMPP for Windows, XAMPP for Linux, and XAMPP for OS. If you are a user of Windows, you can select the link. At first I am a user of Windows, so I have to click these links. You can choose one of the link of this interface, but I recommend you to select the latest version of XAMPP. You have to click the XAMPP 64-bit, and I am using the operating system 64-bit based operating system. But if you are not a user of 64-bit operating system, you have to select the another platform. Suppose you are the user of 32-bit operating systems. How can you know which operating system is installed on your computer? For this, you have to go to this PC. This PC on your Windows 10. Here you can see system properties. You have to click the system properties. Now you can see the system type, 64-bit operating system. It's our 64-bit operating system, so I'm choosing this 64-bit, the latest version, and it is now in downloading to your computer from the server. I no need to download this because I have already done this. So I have to go to the download folder. They are the XAMPP Windows 64-bit operating system. Here you have to just click XAMPP operating system. Yes. You have to wait a single bit. Okay. Next. There are the some checkbox are clicked. You no need to change that. You should just click the next. And now you see the C drive and XAMPP. Next. But here you can see the selected folder is not empty. Please select a different folder. I have already installed XAMPP on my computer, so the XAMPP folder is not empty. There, I think that you are able to install XAMPP because it's the very simple way as installing the basic software or basic applications of Windows to your computer. Next and then finish. It is the process. So I think you have not the necessary to learn this way again. After that, we go to XAMPP control panel. Here you can type XAMPP control panel. XAMPP control panel. If you want turn your computer to local server, you should start the Apache. You can see the first interface of XAMPP control panel here. From there you have to start this Apache. You have to start this MySQL. FileZilla you can start or not as you wish. After that you have to go to any browser, and there you should type localhost and the project name. You have to go to your PC, this PC, and there the local disk C, and there you can see the XAMPP, and from there you have to go to the htdocs, and you can see there are the many projects are stored on my XAMPP htdocs folder. You can create there a folder and in this folder you can make your project. From there, here you can make your coding. After that, we are not test that our local server is not correct or correct. I have to go to my browser, and there I have to type localhost and / now test. Test is the name of my project. You can see the local server is okay. I'm going to my project again, C XAMPP htdocs, now test, and here you can see the index file. I am changing the index file there. It is the title. You know how can type the body. I have made there a single quote, body hello world. I'm testing now the server is okay or not. Localhost / test. You can see the hello world. I think you can gather knowledge how can you install XAMPP on your computer. Thanks for watching this video.